Welcome to our step-by-step guide on AttendLab, the next generation in employees or students' attendance tracking. Let's dive into how AttendLab can streamline your operations. The company account can be edited by a super admin that has a full permission to edit the following sections. In the User Settings section, add your first and last name, email address, and set a time zone. All reports' timestamps will be automatically converted to this time zone. Optionally, you can add your phone number as well. Then, press the Save Changes button. In the Company Settings section, add your company name, phone number, and address. You can also check the Enable Liveness Detection checkmark to ask employees follow instruction on the screen at check-in and out for more authentication security. You can upload your company logo by clicking Upload Image. Then, press the Save Changes button. Location is the place where you need to track people's attendance. To add a new location, navigate to Locations/Devices section. Then, press Add Location. Type the location name and choose the restriction type from the drop-down menu. You can choose either No Restriction, IP or Geolocation Restriction, or Combined IP and Geolocation Restriction. For IP restriction, you can add a range of IPs. To add a geolocation restriction, choose it from the drop-down menu. Enter your facility address. Select Draw a Circle and draw it over your location. Then, press Add. You can also edit the location by clicking Edit Location button. Location name also can be a person's name if you choose to let them check in and out using their own device. System will not allow check-in or out from any place outside the IP range or the selected location circle on the map. To add your smartphone or tablet to track the attendance, press Add Device button and type in your device name. If you need to allow restrictions bypass for it, you can toggle the Bypass Restrictions button. Then, select Re-authentication period for your device. And press the green checkmark button to save changes. The system will disconnect the device automatically after the selected period of time, and it won't in case it is not selected. Now you need to authenticate your device. Press the Authenticate button, and a QR code will show up. Scan it with our mobile application by pressing the Link Device button on it. After this, you can close the QR code and press the Refresh button. Your device is added. To add a new role, navigate to Roles and press Add Role. Type in a role name and description. Permissions can be toggled now or later while editing the role. Press Add to save changes. To edit the role, press Edit Role button. By toggling certain permissions, you can allow users to modify certain sections of the account. After the changes are made, press Apply to save them. Time to add new users. Navigate to Users, then press Add User button. Type in their first and last name, email. Then select the time zone and role for them. Optionally, you can add their address and phone number. To save the changes, press Add. After adding a user, they will receive an email to verify their email address and set their own password. Now let's explore the Employees section. Navigate to it and press the Add Employee button. Type in the employee's name, email, and select location. Then, upload their photo, which must be lower than or equal to 2 megabytes in size. Press the Add button to save changes. Now, let's explore reporting tools of the AttendLab. On the dashboard screen, you can see the tiles displaying the number of locations, employees added and checked in today, and the number of active devices. On the right, you can see hourly attendance, and monthly attendance is displayed on the bottom. You can select a date on the calendar, and dashboard will show the data from that day. Also, there are other reports available on AttendLab. One of them is Attendance Log, which shows device name, employee's location and name, as well as check-in and out date and time. You can filter out the data by operation or by date. This report can be exported to a PDF or CSV file for importing into any HR or payroll app. In the Timesheet section, you can see total attendance hours by person. To see detailed information, press the Details button. To specify a certain pay period, press Filter and then select the dates. Then, click Apply. This report can be exported to a PDF or CSV document. In the Audit Log section, you can see all actions performed by users. In the search bar, you can enter a username and see all their actions. To set the date range, press Filter, select the dates, and then press Apply. You can export these reports to a PDF or CSV file as well. In the Invoices section, you can find your invoices with their number, date, status, and the total amount. You can download your invoice one by one in PDF or export them to CSV. In the Subscription section, you can change your subscription tier. Your current subscription is marked with Subscribed Strip, and the features available to you are listed here. The number of users, employees, and devices added is shown at the top of the screen. Adding new employees, users, and devices without adding new features is available for the Enterprise subscription. If you want to add more to your free or professional tier, you can upgrade it to the next tier. If you are on the Enterprise and need more, you can extend your subscription as well. Press the Extend Your Subscription button and add the number of users, people, or devices you need. Click Apply. The invoice for this purchase will be available in the Invoices section for you. If you need any help from us, please press the question mark button. The contact form will pop up and you can describe your issue there. And press Send Message. After this, you will receive an email confirmation from us about your inquiry, and your customer support agent will get back to you shortly in email or schedule a screen share meeting if necessary. There you have it. You've mastered the AttendLab, configuring settings, managing locations, roles, users, and navigating reports. If you have a general question, feature request, or feedback, you can always send us an email at info@attendlab.com. For technical support, email us at support@attendlab.com. Please feel free to contact us and thank you for choosing AttendLab.